What I'm about to show you is the closest thing I have built to a website that sells itself. You open a link and an AI agent takes a chiropractor through a fictional version of their business. They can talk to it, ask questions, and even see what they are missing. Then a second AI sweeps in, qualifies them, and books them on your calendar. No pitch, no proposal. The AI demo handles both for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this AI demo for any niche. And on top of that, I'm going to give you the entire thing for free. So this is the AI demo I've been talking about, and I'm just going to walk you through this right now. I'm also going to be showing you in this video how to use this to pitch itself to local businesses. So if you're a beginner or you suck at sales, it'll still work for you. So that's going to be the goal. So let's refresh this and let me walk you through this. So boom, it's a beautiful website. And as soon as they land on it, a pop-up comes up immediately saying, still losing patients who never book, and immediately it shows them what to do. So if they click anywhere up here even, it'll immediately go right down here to the chat. Very important. It immediately guides them to the next step. From there, it immediately pulls up a support agent. Now, guys, this is what's so important. This agent is going to sell them. The agent that pops up over here on the left-hand side is going to be what's closing them. Don't worry, I'm just going to walk you through it to show you how this works. But this is one of the most powerful and tested ways to sell AI. If you do not believe me, you're like, there's no way AI sells itself. Again, I'm not guaranteeing you anything, but I have a lot of people that this actually has worked for. Check this out.
And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
When you do that, now they're selling themselves because they're now viewing it like their customers will view it.
No, and I'm not kidding. It was like the agent sold itself. Straight up. It sold itself.
So I have a lot more videos just like that of people crushing it with AI self-selling demos. They are legit. Again, I'm not promising you anything, but if you do it right, it makes it a lot easier, especially if you're a beginner. So step number one is it'll guide them to talk to the first agent, which is this right here. This website can answer questions, collect patient details, and guide visitors book. This is going to show them what it's like to have it sell their customers, not them. This one isn't selling them, it's selling their customers. So watch this.
Hey, you have reached Aqua Spine Wellness. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing? My back hurts.
Sorry to hear your back is hurting. Let me quickly confirm a few details first so we can follow up with anything you need. Could you give me your first and last name?
Yes, Declan the Wizard O'Reilly.
Thanks. Just to confirm, that's Declan the Wizard O'Reilly. Let me spell that out. D-E...
So from there, it then moves on to the second one. So we click this right here. Okay, boom. It now brings them to this agent. So this first one kind of walks them through what it's like to be part of the practice, blah, 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 blah. Then they get the second one, which is Maria, which I'll show you over here. We have both of these pulled up right here. And you get this, by the way, for free. I'm going to give you both of these. These are AI agents that I built. All this is going to be free. But this one then closes them. So this is going to show what it's like to be as someone trying to get chiropractic. So they go, okay, this actually could help my business. I just have plumbers pulled up, but it could be chiropractors too. We'll just put in chiropractors. We'll just put this in here so you can see this. Yeah. So the whole point though is that this first AI agent, which again, I give you for free, goes through and shows them what it's like to get closed as a chiropractor agency. Then this talks to the person doing the demo. That's how it's self-selling. So now we're going to go through this one.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
I did. I loved it. I kind of want to get started, but I have a couple questions.
That's great to hear. And absolutely, ask away. What would you like to know?
How will this work for my chiropractic business?
Thanks for sharing that you run a chiropractic business. Just so you know, this conversation may be recorded, and I'm taking notes so our team can review your business before a consultation. For chiropractors, the system can automatically answer common questions from your website visitors, like services, insurance, or appointment availability. It can also capture new patient leads, qualify them, and even book appointments directly into your calendar. How do most of your patients reach out right now?
See, it's going to keep going. I can obviously walk through it. I have other videos where I walk through all these fully, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to go through that. But this is the whole point. Then we'll go through and say, hey, book a call, blah, 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 or it'll sell them. It's whatever you want it to be. But the whole point is this entire demo, I'll refresh this page, this entire demo is basically a niche specific. You send it to them and it walks it through it. But the cool part is what we can do with this entire thing, because I have this all built out, is we can use high levels features, especially the vibe coder and ask ask AI to redo this entire thing for any niche. So if you come in here and you're like, yo, I want to do chiropractic, or I want to do HVAC, or I want to do lawn care, you can hit anyone. That is the beauty of this demo. Now, I'll be honest, this demo took forever to build and test, so definitely take advantage of it. You can try to build one on your own, but I will say you will run into issues because there's a lot of moving parts, but I've already built this all out for you, and I'm just going to be giving it to you for free in this video. I have other videos on other self-selling demos, as you saw with those results. People love these. They are absolutely amazing. But before I go through kind of setting this up and how to tweak this, and most importantly, how to reach out to businesses using this, because I have a message you can send, I want to make something really clear. In the age of AI, so many of you guys are just talking about AI, and it's why you're not selling it. You have to show the AI. You have to. You cannot get away with yapping about AI. I'm begging you to understand this because I talk to thousands of people, okay? And I'm telling you, the biggest problem with AI right now is all the business owners just hear AI this, AI that. No one knows what it is, though. That is why I've created these demos. Not only if you're a beginner and you suck at sales, it helps. It shows business owners what AI is. They need to see this. It goes, wow, okay, I could use an AI voice agent in my business. This will help me. This smart website will do the work. They get it. It shows them, not tells them. So that's the important part. Also, I want to show you kind of how much money you can make with these kind of, self-selling smart websites. Because again, we're going to take this agent off of it once we give it to the business, and then they can just have it. So it's like a very easy sell. Let me show you about pricing. So what I normally do is I give away the whole smart website for free. If you're doing with a chiropractor, HVAC, whoever, I go, here, try this. It's free. But then what I do, because there's AI features, I go, okay, but it's going to be $297 per month. That way you click the recurring, you can stack it up and make more money. But most importantly, you're building reciprocity. A big thing you want to do too with AI is you want to give them something for free. It's a much better way to do sales because what you're doing is you're essentially solving one of their problems. If you just go, hey, buy the website and buy the agent, which you absolutely can do, it's just a little bit trickier because they're like, well, I'm paying for two things. Where you go, hey, the website's normally $2,000. Between me and you, I'm going to give it to you for free. You just have to cover the other costs. Boom. Looks like you're giving them a massive deal. That's what you want to do. Little sales trick right there. So that's how I would price this. But now that you understand, how to price this and works, what I want to show you, which is more important, and I think is ultimately the best way, is how we're going to reach out to business owners to give them this demo so they can kind of run through the sales. So the first step is to pull up Google Maps because we're going to be finding some businesses, but make sure you have this demo handy. So again, if you guys want access to this, you get it for free when you join my private community, which all you have to do is use High Level under me. Okay, there's no gatekeeping. I don't say, hey, buy this course or coaching program. You get it for free right down below with the 30-day free trial. That way you can try it risk-free if you want to try these assets. But in this community too, you get access to obviously a bunch of winners where you can talk to them, all the trainings you could possibly want. We have a lot more of these self-selling demos that you get for free. We have a whole arsenal of them. But most importantly, you're going to get up to 7 live coaching calls, even ones with me and other amazing coaches that you can attend completely for free. You can also message me whenever you want. And guys, all of this is free right down below with that 30-day free trial of Go High Level. And if you don't know what Go High Level is and you're like, what the heck is this? It's basically just an AI-powered software. But usually they give you 14-day free trials, but I actually talk to the team to give you a 30-day. That way you can try this, get in, and if you don't like it, cancel after 30 days, no sweat off your back. That way it's like a no-brainer. You don't have to go, here's 10 grand. Let me see what I do. Like all these other idiots online trying to promote their shit. You don't have to do that. Come in, try it for free. If you hate it, you can leave. But I think it's pretty amazing. I also think it's important to be using AI demos and all this stuff in the age of AI because it's kind of a waiver riding right now and you get access to all the help you need to basically move you on, especially if you're a beginner or advanced trying to scale. We have you either way. So let's go over how to reach out. So first thing, we're going to put in the exact niche and then keyword. So we're going to do chiropractor in, we'll just do that. I just typed in something random. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to maps right here. And then what we're going to want to do, because this is how we're going to find the leads, we want to click any of these, okay, that do not have an AI voice agent or AI integrations. That's how we find a lead. Right now, if you're watching this video, you're lucky because guess what? This is new, so they're not going to have it. But say we click these guys. Okay, I'm not trying to pick on this businesses for educational purposes. I'm just clicking someone random. No AI integration. I don't see any voice agent to chat with. It just looks like a regular website. If we come back, we'll go to these guys and we'll check this as well. What do I see? No AI integration. By the way, guys, this can be added to anyone's website. So if they don't want a new website, they go, hey, we like our website. Don't worry, you can still add this. So if we come right here, we can take this code right here and we can literally just copy it and put it in a HTML widget, which is literally just clicking 2 buttons. And then this exact agent will be on anyone's website. That is how powerful this is. you can do that very easily with these demos. So we're going to come back here. But as you see, we can go down the line. All these businesses don't have any sort of AI integration because this is new. Again, if you're watching this video 2 years from now, this might be saturated. But right now, this is new. No one has it. So take advantage of it. Then what I recommend you do is you use this exact message to send to them. Okay, you can send this via email, text, follow compliance laws, say in a cold call, voicemail drop, however you want to do this, send them a direct piece of mail. You need to just reach out to the business owners that you have. Now, there's a lot of leads, so you figure that out. But reach out using this message again. I give this away for free in my community. You just get it, or you can just literally just copy and paste it right here. It's not hard. Like just take it. It's yours for free. But then you want to send this to them. And then what you do is you send them the link to these demos. Now, what we can do, and I have other videos on this, so I'm not going to go super far into this territory. Drop a comment if you want to see this, but we can actually make this exact, smart website reflect their exact brand. So the AI agents, the website, all of this stuff will reflect their brand. So it seems way more like a powerful demo. Now, absolutely, just with the niche specific demo, it still works just fine. Like you'll still crush. But if we want to make it super specific, that can also be very, very powerful. So if that's something you're interested in, just drop a comment down below and I'll send you another video where we use both the Vibe Coder and Ask AI and it builds it all out. If you're brand new to Go High Level 2, just drop any comment down below. I answer all my comments personally. Like if you look at my YouTube videos, I answer all the comments. I want to make this an interactive learning experience. So put whatever you want and I can have you covered. So once we have that, we want to send them with this message, this exact demo. And again, you just say, try it out. Because what you don't want to do, and I'm going to make this so clear, you don't want to just sit there and start yapping about AI. This is what so many of you guys are doing right now. It's why no one wants to buy. Is because the business owners go, what are they talking about? They think Terminator when they think AI. They think Matrix. They don't think AI voice agents. But when you just go, I built an interactive version of what a model website could look like. Take 2 minutes to see it. Want me to make yours? Blah, 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 blah. You can just send them this link and just say, try it out. And then they come in here and then the AI basically walks them through the process. By the way, if you like these little pop-ups, this is custom HTML. I did this all for you. That's why you got to take this for free. I suffered to build this because AI can't exactly just build this for you in a Vibe Coder because it's a lot of tricky like coding and editing, but I'm a wizard, so I was able to slap it together. But the whole idea is they go through this and they go, oh, wow, cool. Oh, wow, cool. And it guides them through the whole process for you. That's why I absolutely love this. Is it's so much more powerful, it's so much sleeker, it's so much cleaner, and the AI walks it through them for them. So you don't have to sit there going, hey, this is why you buy it. They just try it. It tells them what to do. So again, you find the businesses, you find the ones that don't have AI, you send them this message with this exact link to this AI demo, and then from there, depending on how you set it up, it does all the self-selling for you. Then from there, okay, obviously you can tweak this. All of this is in a snapshot you get when you join my community. If you're new to High Level, you don't know what that is. It's just everything put into a link. It's like a little a box, like a bonus box with all of this stuff. And as you see, we can tweak all of this very easily. And with AI, it can change it. So if you're a complete beginner and you're like, there's no way I can take this or do this, like, don't worry, it's so easy. And guys, I'm just going to say this, regardless of whether you join my community or use High Level, regardless of that, I want to see you win. So what I recommend regardless is build your own AI demo. If you're using some other software and you're like, I never want to use High Level or whatever, honestly, High Level is the best and it makes it the easiest. And I already built this for you, but I still want to see you win. So regardless of what you do, use self-selling demos. Okay. It's just much better to show the business owner, not tell them why this works. So please, whatever you do, make sure you go through and you do that. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, drop down below. If you're interested in High Level and getting access to all of this for free, go right down below. Get that 30-day free trial, not the 14-day, the exclusive 30-day. Get inside my amazing community. You'll be emailed access. And then from there, we'll be off to the races. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a video right now that's going to pop up that's just going to go through like what you get when you join my community. That way you can see that this is legit, because I can talk all day about this, but I want to show you that this is legit, not just me yapping. So, proof over promise here. So thanks for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.